Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing my update from a Project Pan. I am excited about this. I did better than I thought I was gonna do. And yeah, so we do have some progress. We do have some things we will be rolling out and rolling in. There is one declutter item. We're just gonna start in the order that we went in our intro and kind of go through each product that way. The first product that I pulled for this project is a hand cream, and this is the Bath & Body Works Overnight Moisture Cream. And I used all of this up. As you can see, I squeezed the crap out of this, and this was actually really good. I did enjoy it. If you want more information about like my thoughts on these products that I did use up, you can check out my Empties. I kind of went into more detail on like whether or not I would purchase it, why, my experience with it, all of that. I just want this video to be more about like what I used up and what I'm bringing in and kind of that cycle, that progress, versus, you know, going in depth and giving reviews. So if you want to know more about what I think of the items that I used up, go check out my Empties video. I will link it, I think, somewhere. And yeah, so go check that out. I'm going to be replacing this with this. This is the Hempz Sensitive Skin Herbal Body Moisturizer, enriched with natural calming oatmeal complex, and this helps comfort and calm dry skin. I haven't used this before, and this is 2.25 fluid ounces, so it's actually more than double of the hand cream that I used up. So it might take me more than a month to use this one like it did for the hand cream, but I'm gonna smell this. It doesn't really smell like much of anything, which is kind of nice actually. I hope it's really moisturizing and works well. Even though this one was a hand cream, I used it for my body as well. And I'm going to do the same for this one, use it for my body and my hands. Next body product that I put into this project is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. And this is the crushed macadamia and rice milk. And you can see my progress there. And I used this 6 times. I feel like I used it actually more than that. I did have a hard time remembering sometimes to mark that I used a product, because that's how I was kind of going to gauge some of these. So yeah, I used it at least 6 times this past month. And I'm hoping to use it at least 6 times this coming month. I think this is going to take me a while to use. Like, this isn't gonna be gone in a couple of months. Like, this is gonna take me a while. Next body product is the Sugar Plum bath crystals, bath salts, whatever. I didn't like these. I used this one time, and yeah, so I did use it though. You know, at least I did take a bath. That's a big deal because you normally don't take baths. So I did use that, and I am going to replace it with more bath salts. These are the last of the bath salts that I have in my collection, so I figured I'd just get them out of the way. Hopefully I like these ones better. This is the Honey Almond Bath Soak, and I think there's like more like 2 to 3 uses out of this one, compared to, you know, how much I used for that one use of that one. So we'll see. We'll see if I can manage 2 baths this month. We'll see. I'm not sure if that's actually gonna happen, but that's the goal. Okay, last body product that I chose was the Ralph Lauren fragrance little perfume sample, and I didn't really care for it, but I did use it up. It is completely gone, and I'm going to replace it with another perfume sample. This one is by Philosophy, and this is in Love Swept. I haven't smelled this yet, so I'm gonna smell it real quick. Hopefully I like it. Actually, I think I might like that one, so that's a good pick. I think I'm gonna enjoy it this time. Now, I will say that the other one that I tried out, it was like a spray, and this one is not. This one I'm gonna have to like pop the top and then just kind of dab it onto my wrists or whatever. I feel like these take me longer to use because it's just so much easier to use a spray, and I might, hopefully not, but I might avoid this a little more because of the packaging. Yeah, but hopefully I can use this up within this month. I'm trying to give myself like some hard things and then also some easier things so that I don't get discouraged, and I can at least make a little bit of progress each month. So with these little things, you know, some of them are kind of gimmies, some of them you may think are gimmies, but they're really not. They'll be hard for me to use, but so we'll see. The first hair care product that I chose for this project is the L'Oreal Advanced Hair Care Total Repair 5 Extraordinary Oil. I thought this was going to be so hard for me to use up because it's a hair oil. I don't use hair oils, and I just have like a negative perspective on them. I don't know why, I just do. But this one surprised me. I really liked it, and I did use it up. I'm really happy I actually used this up. And I will be replacing it with another little oil foil packet for my hair, and this is the Hairstyler Vitamin E Hair Serum. And this does have significantly less in it than the L'Oreal oil, but I'm not sure if I can use this the same way that I use the L'Oreal one. I use the L'Oreal one kind of as a leave-in conditioner in a way, like right after I got out of the shower, but I'm not sure if I can do the same with this. So I'm gonna try, but we'll see. This Kenra Platinum conditioner, and I have this upside down because that's how I have it stored in my shower. And I did actually mark this one. I didn't write how many uses I got out of this, unfortunately, but I did mark where I am. So with it upside down, like if you can see, I'll back it up a little bit. It is to here. So here down is what is left, and from here up is what I have used, which I think is really good progress actually. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make the same progress this coming month, but we will see. My hair is like super long right now, and I am getting it cut, so I probably won't need as much product in my hair. Next hair care product that I pulled last month is the Bumble & Bumble Glow Bond Building Styler. At least 6 times I used this, and it's okay. I'm gonna continue to use it. I think, I don't know if I can use this up within this month or not. Kind of feel like it's gonna take me an additional month, so this might be like gone in March or something, but we'll see. I'm gonna try. I don't want to overuse, you know, the products. Like, I don't need a whole lot of this, so that's not my goal to do that. I just want to get use out of these products, and I am, so that's good. So last hair care product that I pulled for this project, I actually don't have with me. I will insert a picture of it, but it was a John Frieda Root Lift Foam product. It was a full size, and I used it a handful of times. I actually used it most of the month, and just at the end of January I decided, you know, I don't want to use this anymore. I don't really think it's doing anything, so I decided to declutter it, and I passed it along already, so that's why I don't have it to physically show you. But I am going to be replacing it with another full-size hair care product that I normally would never use, but I have. This is the Schwarzkopf. I don't think I'm saying that right. This is the Dry Oil Mist from Got To Be, yeah, Dry Oil Hair Taming Mist. I don't even know how I'm going to use this or what to use it for. I'm gonna have to look it up and try different things and see if I can make it useful or not in my hair routine. So we will see. We'll see. Now moving into skincare. The first skincare item that I brought into this project is the Mario Badescu Vitamin A, D, and E neck cream, and I only used this twice. Did really bad with this product. I literally only used it twice. And this is a really thick cream, and you really only need like the tiniest bit. So this is gonna last me a while. Like maybe the whole year. I don't know, probably. But I need to start using this more than twice a month. The next one I did use up. This is the Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness. And I actually enjoyed this. It was nice. Use that guy up. I'm really happy about it. I did enjoy it, and I will be replacing it with this. So the category was, because this is a little bit of a different product. So the category that I had to stick with was a normal routine skincare product. And I just actually, the timing's really good because I just used up my face scrub that I was using. So I decided instead of the moisturizer, because I have other moisturizers that I'm using, I would choose a face scrub. And this one I have 2 of, so kind of like what I did for the fragrance. I'm going to try this out and see if I like it, and if I do, then I get to keep the other one, and if I don't, then I have to pass the other one on to somebody else. I think that that's kind of neat, and I think that this project might kind of help me do that more, and I might kind of move it into that direction a little bit with the products that I have multiples of. So this is the L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub Smooth and Glow. Face scrubs do take me a long time to use up because I normally only use them once a week if I remember. So I'm not sure that this will be used up this month, even though it is such a small size. But I am excited to try this out. Next skincare product that I used up is the Belif Hungarian Water Essence. This is just a little foil sample. I think I got very few uses out of this, but I did enjoy it from what I, used of it. I'm going to be replacing it with another essence kind of product. This is the Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. And again, I have 2 of these, so I'm going to be trying this one out and then decide whether to keep the other one or not. And I'm actually really excited about this one as well. I've been wanting to try this and I don't know why I haven't, but now I am. I am so excited. Let me know if you've tried any of these products that I'm sharing with you, and let me know your thoughts on them. I'd be really interested to know. Also, if you're doing a project pan of any sort this year, what are you doing? How are you doing? How did you do for the month of January? I'm curious to know that as well. That is actually my last empty. So total I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total I had 6 empties and 1 declutter. So 7 items total that I am taking out and bringing in new items for. But let's continue on with the products that I am still using. The last one for skincare is the Mario Badescu Rose Hips Mask. And I used this at least 5 times. I feel like I might have used it 6. I feel like I might have missed 1 time of marking it down on my sheet. I'm really enjoying this mask. I know I love this one, and I'm just happy to be using it on more of a consistent basis now. So yeah, I think it'll be a while still before it's gone, but I'm just really enjoying using it. Last category is my makeup products. Now, I didn't use any of them up completely. I know, it's kind of sad, but there was one that was almost there. But we're gonna start and do this in order. So the first one that I rolled in is the NARS Lip Pencil in Rakugan, and I definitely have made some progress. Did mark this on a piece of paper where I started and where I am now, so I will insert that in here so you can kind of get a better idea of how much I actually used up of this product. But I did sharpen it, I feel like twice, at least twice. And it's, it's not super sharpened right now, so probably a couple more uses and then I will need to sharpen it again. I think this is one that will take me a little while to use up. It won't be something that'll be like in my next update or anything like that, but I am enjoying using it. It is a nice formula. The color is nice, but it has a little bit of a metallic to it, which I don't love. And the stick aspect of it is just so easy to put on. Another reason why I might not be making as much progress with this past month is because normally I would reapply my lip product throughout the day, and for some reason throughout January I haven't been doing that. I've just been applying it in the morning and that's it. I don't know why, but I need to start using it twice. At least twice a day. That's my goal. My next product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I have used this at least 16 times. So I think this is the one that I have used the most. Yeah, this is the one that I have used the most out of everything as far as like times usage and stuff like that. And I can tell that it's not as coated with product when I pull it out now. I don't think it is getting low, but again, I haven't really used a product like this to be able to tell that. So I'm not really sure. I'm not sure if this will last longer or if maybe this will be in my next empties next month for using it up and rolling something else. So we will see. But I have been enjoying that. This was so close to being an empty, guys, so close. This will definitely be used up this month in February, and I will be able to roll something in next update. But this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Primer. As you can see, it is right under the words Primer Moisturizer on the bottom. There is maybe two maybe uses out of this, we'll see. But I have already used it at least 6 times, and yeah, so I'm pretty excited that this one's gonna be gone. I would have been more excited if it was used up by this update, of course, but I am enjoying using it, so I'm not really in a rush to use it up. And because this was one that I had a duplicate of, I now know that I'm gonna keep my other one and use that one up as well. Last product, guys, you hanging in there with me for my project pan is the MAC Strobe Cream, and I've been using this a lot. Like, I've used it at least 14 times is what I have written down, but again, I think I might have used it more and just forgot some of the times. And I used the tiniest bit of this, like super tiny bit of this, just to highlight certain areas of my face before I powder. And I'm thinking maybe I might try mixing this in with a primer and see what that looks like. It would definitely use more of it per use, but I am enjoying it just as a highlight as well, cream highlight. So if I continue to use it as just a cream highlight, I don't see this being used up anytime soon either, because I do just use the littlest bit each time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my update for my project pan and found it interesting to see what I am using, what I'm swapping things out for. And this was kind of an exciting first update because I did use up quite a few products and I did roll in quite a few products as well. So hopefully we can keep somewhat of the momentum going for this coming month in February, and I will check back in with you later and we'll see how I did. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye.